This is the Keychron Q1. It's a gasket-mounted 75% keyboard, which has been very popular this year. I couldn't secure a unit to review and do a sound test of, but my hero TapTapTien saves the day again by lending me his review unit. And here's a sound test of Q1 built by TapTapTien.